Hey Wealux, you work hard for your money, right? So let me ask you this. Are you protecting it like the rich do? Because if not, you might be losing cash without even realizing it. So today we are diving into 15 ways to keep your money safe and growing just like the wealthy do. Stick around because some of this might just change your financial future forever. So, number 1, keep your cash ready. Even hard, the farts, cash is king. Well, it's true. The rich always have liquid cash on hand for emergencies and golden opportunities. So, when the 2008 financial crisis hit, those with cash bought houses and stocks are rock bottom prices. While everyone was panicking, having cash ready means you are in control, not the economy. Number 2. Think big and get creative. Rich people don't just follow the crowd, they find new ways to grow their wealth. Look at Walt Disney. He did not just stick to movies, he built theme parks. That's why his empire will thrive today. So don't limit yourself to just one income stream. Think outside the box. Number 3. Build smart money habits. The rich don't just know how to make money, they know how to keep it. If you don't track your spending or understand your taxes, you could be throwing money anyway. Learn about personal finance, start budgeting, and make smart financial moves a habit. Number 4. Enjoy your money too. Now listen carefully. What is the point of saving money if you never enjoy it? The rich travel, experience life, and make memories. It's all about balance. So, yes, invest and save, but also take that trip, enjoy that fancy dinner, and live your life. Number 5. Diversify your investment. One word, diversify. Don't put all your money in one place. Stocks, real estate, businesses. Spread your investment. If one thing crashes, you have got backups. Smart? Right. Number 6. Keep assets private. If all your wealth in your name, you are a target for lawsuits. The rich use trust and LLCs to keep their assets protected. Look at what happened to Prince. No will, no trust, and his wealth become public chaos. Learn from that mistake. Number 7. Hire a financial advisor. A great financial advisor is like having a personal money coach. They help you save on taxes, invest wisely, and grow your wealth while you focus on making more money. Just make sure they are trustworthy. Number 8. Own real estate. Real estate is a wealth building machine. It's grow in value, gives you rental income, and gives you control over your wealth. If you can buy a property, do it. Or even a small rental property can change your financial future in a year. Number 9. Build a stable life. Did you know people in stable relationships tend to get promoted more? That's because stability keeps you focused and responsible. Whether it's family, close friends, or a strong community, having support helps protect your wealth from bad decisions. Number 10. Check your finances regularly. You need to know where your money is going. You work hard, save money, but if you don't know where your money goes, because no one will care about it as much as you do. Set a habit to check your accounts monthly or quarterly. Spotting mistakes yearly can save you thousands. Number 11. Get creative with taxes. Ever wonder how the rich pay taxes in less? They use legal loopholes like deductions, business write-offs, and tax credits. You don't need millions to do this, just start learning the tax system and take advantage of what's available to you. Number 12. Ensure everything is important. Accident, disasters, and lawsuits can wipe out. Unless you are protected, that's why the rich insure everything: their wealth, health, home, car, businesses, and even themselves. Get the right insurance policy so you don't lose everything to an unexpected event. Number 13. Give back and build loyalty. Sharing wealth is not just about charity, it's about building relationships, whether it's helping family, employees, or your community. Generosity creates loyalty. And guess what? Loyal people protect your wealth too. Number 14. Teach the next generation. You spend years figuring out of your money. So why let your kids or your younger relatives start from zero? Teach them financial skills yearly so they don't waste the wealth you have built. If they know how to handle money, they won't lose it. Number 15. Write a will. Here is the deal. 60% of Americans don't have a will for their future loves. That means when they die, their money goes into a messy legal battle instead of their loved one. I will make sure your wealth goes exactly where you want it. Don't skip that step. Alright, my friends, that's 15 ways to protect your money like the rich do. Which tip blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments. And hey Welexer, if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next my video. Until then, take care and keep building that wealth. Bye bye.